had a big bird gobbling about 100 yards away. He gobbled until he flew down, and he's been silent now for about an hour. I had 2 hens come through that you saw, and I think I can hear him way off in the distance on the game lens. But that's permit only. We don't have a permit. I'm going to see if I can slide down the hill a little bit, try to call him back across the line. He was real fired up, but I think somebody is on the game lands with a permit. And I could hear a crow call that just didn't sound real. So I'm hoping I might make a move down here a little bit and be able to see something farther down that sewer line that's over there. It's still early. He was fired up, so I think we could probably locate him again and call him back in maybe. It is the second day I've been hunting. Saturday was the opening day. Didn't hunt yesterday, Sunday. Today's Monday. And I'm at a different piece of property that I hunted on Saturday. And there's not been the first gobble. Gorgeous morning. It's like 54 degrees. And it is exactly 8 o'clock. And a fire engine just blew its horn. And I just heard a gobble about 150 yards away for the first time this morning. And that was from a fire truck. So I don't think he's too fired up, but we are going to go ahead and put a call on him, see if I can get him pulled back into here in this little secluded field back in here. So it's a little later, but we'll see if we can make it happen. On a string, baby. On a string. One call sequence after that fire truck. He came in on an absolute string. To have 0 gobbles and fire truck at 8 o'clock on the dot honks and he gobbles. I do 1 yelp sequence and he came in on an absolute string. So thank you, Lord. This is cool. We got the strutter out here. I had him set up so he would look like he was coming into the hen, and all that Tom could see when he came across there was this fan sitting in the sun. I almost didn't put that decoy out and just sat here quiet and listened, but I am so glad I did, because as soon as he saw that fan, I hope it shows up on the GoPro, he made a 90-degree turn and came right over here. So this is amazing. I'm so excited right now. Now I know why we called him Pencil Beard. because he is actually triple bearded. His main beard has rotted off completely, and there's 2 more smaller beards here still. So this is a very old, very mature bird. This is very cool. You can see this is his secondary beard, about 8 inches. This is his third beard, about 6 inches. And that right there was his main beard. But you can see he's got, sorry, I'm still shaking. I'm all shaking. Beard rot. So, very mature bird. Let's take a look at these hooks. About 1 inch. Very exciting. All right, real quickly, I just want to show you the setup. So here's the decoys. And I was sitting on that pine tree in there in the complete shadow darkness, shot through brush to get out here, and he was clueless I was here. Maybe 20 yards, maybe 18 yards, not very far. And at one point he was over here maybe 12 yards away, and he couldn't stand the strutter, man. He came right into it, knocked him down. I've got him up here on the log. You can see it a lot better now. This is actually a triple bearded bird. You got the one tertiary beard there, and you got the longer secondary beard. And as you can see, the main beard, I mean, we're gonna call it 1 inch, but it's got beard rot, and so it's gone. But it's probably 1.5 inches from the body, so I mean, it's there, it's present. It's just not, you know, dragging like a long beard. But this is a triple bearded bird, which is pretty cool. I've killed a double bearded bird, and of course, you know, 1 bearded birds, but I've never killed a triple bearded bird. So I'm very excited. That's a first for me. Spurs were decent, you know, what you would expect, about 1 inch. Nothing crazy, nothing abstract. You can see they're about the same on both sides. And as always, these things stink, man. they have a smell to them, but couldn't be more excited about this bird. Sure do. Get on his head. Get on his head. Hot damn, boy, we did it! You messed up, big boy. Woo! Oh, oh, he messed up. Nice beard on him.
I have never been so nervous to shoot something in my entire life.
How soon did you see him?
I couldn't see him until he cleared where I was at. I had to see if he was like,
oh, my
when
word.
I saw him I could shoot him, that was it.
I'm shaking.
Oh, Oh.
That's him, man. Look at the size of that paintbrush. Oh my word. Dude, he saw that red head down there and couldn't stand it.
Oh shit. What a beard. What about this?
They're just curving. They're good hooks.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
They're trying to.
Look how red
Oh, he is fired up.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
He messed up, Ron.
Oh my gosh.
We had just trampled all down through there. And
How
we
did
pop
we-
out and there he is. So where was he?
Dude, that's a wonder we didn't blow him out of there.
Unbelievable.